This is RG emergency ward, which has been vandalized yesterday badly. See the condition of the furnitures out here. It is totally vandalized. See the condition of medicines out here. This is an emergency ward. The meaning of emergency is something which is very urgent. You see, this was closed and now how many medicines, see the condition of the medicines, everything, see the clock, everything is just vandalized as if they have, the people who came, the miscreants who came, they just absolutely ransacked everything, and everything is, now this is the condition. You see, if we show the floor, this is the situation. Everything has been badly ransacked. So much of anger. Who has so much of anger? That is the question. Who did this? Whose act is this? 15 police have been injured. 9 people have been arrested. Till now, that's what we get. But the biggest question is, who had problems with the doctors? Who has problems with the doctors who were seeking justice here? Look at the condition of all the monitors and everything, the bed. This is the emergency department of RG Kar, which is badly, and this is the gate, and the gate clearly shows the amount of pressure there was, and with that pressure, it is vandalized. It's horrible. It is horrible. See the condition of the first room, of everything. The CCTV cameras here, see the condition of the CCTV camera. Everything is just vandalized. People who were very angry with the doctors, with the police, they only know why they did it. Everything is just finished here in this emergency, which is one of the most vital place of RG Kar hospital. The doctors, they were seeking justice for a brutal rape and murder of their own colleague. And after that, this is the situation. When one side there was this all rallies going on, all rallies in the seeking justice were going on. On the other hand, like political parties will be blaming each other, and the blame game has started from the middle of the night. But the big question is, who is responsible for this? They have to answer. So many valuable medicines, everything destroyed. Nothing is there. Everything is badly destroyed. And this is absolutely vandalized. This gives a testimony of an absolutely vandalized emergency ward of RG Kar. And this is a reality. This is the picture. And here lies the question, who had the problem with the doctors out there? We cannot just say that it's a happy Independence Day. I mean, to tell you very emotionally, because right now, where I am standing, it is the emergency ward of RG Kar hospital. The question which you asked, police has started identifying. 9 people have been arrested, and several police is trying to get into various pictures from the visuals that is there, the visuals that has gone viral, the visuals that has been taken there, and 15 policemen has been injured and 9 people have been arrested. And one of the vital information is, this is the emergency department. This is not the seminar hall. Seminar hall is 3rd floor, which is the crime scene. So there is no news of tampering the evidence in seminar hall. But if you see the emergency, the amount of rage these miscreants have, that you can see. This is the male ward of the emergency. Emergency is a person when he is severely in pain, severely ill, severely in problem. That point of time, people are brought in emergency, and this is the condition of emergency. Everything is vandalized. Let me take you to, and our viewers, to the storeroom. Very valuable medicines are there. See the condition. All this, the almiras, the fridge, the everything. The amount of anger. What was so, why the miscreants were so angry with this? What was going wrong? Whose plan is that? Whoever's plan is that, this is a very bad plan, no doubt. Because whoever tries to do it People will not support it. That is very clear. See, these are all very, very, very valuable medicines that is meant for the common people, the poor people and people in need. This is one of the most prominent hospitals of Calcutta. Where will people go? Where will they go for treatment? The doctors are on strike, and on the top of that, this is the situation. And you know, it is absolutely, there is an, you know, this seems that there has been an earthquake. Totally, this is another side. ये जगह क्या जगह है? ये जगह
इमरजेंसी है।
हाँ, इमरजेंसी का ये क्या है?
पेशेंट टॉयलेट है।
पेशेंट टॉयलेट है।
पेशेंट टॉयलेट सब तोड़फोड़ कर
क्या सब कुछ तोड़फोड़ कर दिया?
हाँ हाँ, पेशेंट टॉयलेट है, देख लीजिए थोड़ा।
तो कल रात को आप लोग कोई तो आप लोग आके देख रहे कि पूरा खत्म है। हाँ?
आप भीतर में
कुछ नहीं बचा।
और कुछ है।
Let's go inside and we'll show you critical care unit. See, this is the critical care unit and see the condition of the beds. Everything is, you know, what do you say to this? On a day, on a 15th August, when the entire country is celebrating independence, see what the condition of RG Kar hospital is. See what the condition of emergency is. This is what they have done it. Who has done it? You know, the political blame game have started. The BJP is saying it's Trinamool. The Trinamool is saying it's BJP and CPM. At the cost of what? At the cost of the treatment of common poor people. See, nothing is there. Let me come in front and show you the gate. Everything is. Nothing is okay here. You see, this was the main ward, and let me go in front. You see the gate, and this is the gate, which is absolutely broken. This is the collapsible gate. See, I'll just like to show you another room. Everything is over, but then also this is the RMO room, just entry of the emergency, and see the condition of the CCTV camera also. Everything is just vandalized, and let me just show you the entry gate of also the entry gate of the emergency. This is the entry gate of emergency, which is totally bended. It's nothing is there. Now, you know, if we go to the sequence of event, if we discuss the sequence of the event yesterday, it was almost 12 o'clock. 12 o'clock when entire Bengal, there were more than 300 rallies. In Kolkata also there were several rallies. There were rallies in Jadavpur, in front of RG Kar and everywhere. Suddenly here, if we can go, I will try to show that place also. Suddenly outside the around 12 o'clock or 11:45 to 12, suddenly this gate, the main gate of RG Kar, would like to show. There were a lot of outsiders. There were a lot of outsiders who were gathering there, and police was there, but not in large number. And then suddenly from there, that side, all these miscreants, they absolutely broke these barricades. Now you can see the barricades. Yesterday night when we were there, the barricades were absolutely broken. You can see the sign, all the shoes and all the chappals are here. So it was a major crowd. A huge number of crowd came and barged in. They just barged in, and here was the doctors were protesting here. This side would like to show, we want justice. They totally vandalized this, and they straight went to the emergency and vandalized the emergency. And that point of time, we spoke to the doctors last night, and the doctors were saying that they called up the police, they called up the administration, but they did not get help. Are you, let me talk to, you were a protester, no? You were a doctor. What, you were there last night?
I was there.
What did you heard from your friends?
I heard that there was a sudden attack from the mob from Belgacia or Pike Pada. Some were saying, reportedly saying in the news media as well, that they attacked the emergency department and the stage here and all, and threatened
Who
us.
can be behind this? What do you think?
I have no idea. Proper investigation.
You all will continue the protest?
Yes, for sure.
Can you please come? Were you there last night?
Yes, I was.
What happened? Can you say a little louder?
There was numerous of mobs present there, and we had planned one rally for our women team so that they can go and go for the rally for Abhaya. And then around 11:30 p.m. it was some mobs right there was try to break that barricade, and suddenly they came and they were what actually they have did. You can see it, and you can go to the emergency. They have destroyed everything.
Where was police?
Police even ran faster than us, and this is totally, I guess, what can we expect?
Will you still continue the protest?
Yes, obviously we will continue the protest until the justice is given.
And what do you think? Who must have done it?
I can say, but some people, cause there was approximately 2,000 to 3,000 people in front of our gate and this road. So I can say everyone is goons. No, it was not. Many of them were actually supporting us, but some of them actually does it intentionally.
Sources in police said that they tried to do everything. 15 policemen has been injured, including the deputy commissioner. But let me tell you, now you see, now there are police, now there is huge contingent of police, but not as that much that was required. Now CP came in the middle of the night and he stayed till the morning. But the question is, this is a term which this doctor said that police ran faster than them. Is a big question. Why did police ran faster than the children? They are actually children. They are the junior doctors, interns, PGT staffs. That is an allegation which this doctor has said in our camera, which is very interesting. And we were speaking to the doctors last night also. They also almost said the same thing. And then Abhishek Banerjee did a tweet that he spoke to the commissioner middle of the night. The commissioner came and stayed till the morning. But obviously the big thing is police ran faster than us. That is also raising various questions. Number one, whose plan was this? Who wanted to divert? Number one, BJP. According to BJP, it is Trinamool who has done that, and they want to they want to shrug off. Wipe out the evidence. They could not go to the crime scene, but that is BJP's allegation, and this is the law and order situation. Trinamool's allegation is that the people who were doing the protest yesterday, it is they who did it. Police is investigating the matter. The blame game is there, but the big question is a hospital which runs in taxpayers' money, a hospital which is for the common poor people to get treatment in free of cost, a hospital which is not located in a remote village but in proper Kolkata, and is a very renowned hospital. There suddenly a mob of 40 goes inside, does vandalism. I mean there is some logic. If it would have been in a village, remote village, okay fine, there were less of police. This is Kolkata. This is Kolkata where a rape takes place and a murder takes place. Not a village hospital. Similarly, the question is, this is a Kolkata's renowned government college. There, suddenly 40 people comes inside and nothing happens. I mean, they were not defended, or they failed to defend because 15 police people were injured. That is a fact. They are being hospitalized. So what is it? Who is behind this? Who will get benefit? Who wants to divert? All these questions are there which the authorities definitely will have to answer.